So this is the Soul F80 folding treadmill. I'm just going to cover some of the main features here on the console. I mean, very basic, straightforward, very similar to your local gym. There's a 7.5 LCD screen here, which is pretty easy. One of the great features I like is the fan that kind of gives you a little bit of cooling. If you're working out in a basement like we are, you definitely want a little bit of a fan. You have your music input, so you connect your phone. You need to plug in. This is headphones here. If you want to just kind of plug in like an auxiliary, this is how you do it. All your basic features are here with a quick start and stop, and your safety key right here, which of course connects. A lot of people don't use these anymore, but you know, you clip it to your shirt or something, and if you fall too far back, you pull out of the machine automatically comes to a stop. All of your basic programs here are here, like manual, hill, fat burn, all of these different programs, these preset programs you can set up, or you can just kind of do the old fashioned incline, up or down, speed, up or down. Another great feature that I do like is having these same features, the incline here and the speed here, to kind of allow you to just grab onto the side while you're running without having to reach up here and touch these buttons. So it's you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you some running, and then I'm going to show you how it folds up. So the Soul F80 actually is a little bit of a space-saving device because it folds up relatively easy to just save you a little bit of space. Now, it doesn't fold all the way up, but it does save you a little bit of space over this way if you had to put something here, or if you had maybe an ottoman that you could move. So it does save you a little bit of space, and in order to bring the thing back down, give it a little push, engage, and you can see I'm going down with one hand. It's not that heavy at all. And now I can let it go. So it's gonna go all the way down by itself. And yeah, it really doesn't take a lot of effort to do it. I would just say make sure that an adult is doing it and not a child. So this Soul F80 treadmill is definitely something that we love in our house and definitely recommend it.